I think my iPhone let's end to Tagalog. Tagalog. Now I live Philippines. Let's go play. Welcome to Talk About Awareness. This one. There's one you golden. Yeah. Oh. Now let's go now. Wait, I talk Tagalog. I know how to talk Tagalog. Hay nako, yung prinsesa na starbo niya ako. Harap pa ang Roblox eh. Yeah. Dito pa tayo. Ay, hindi pa akong kumain. Kumain muna ako. Hey, I know you. I talk to Tagalog. I teach me. Ito. Kamusta ka? You say, kumusta ka? Mahal tita. Gusto ko tita. Halobat na ako. Yung, I not say bad words because I am galit ako. I talk Tagalog, I know I'm from Philippines. You don't know how yung Tagalog in Philippines is Pilipinas. Okay, let's go. You are other country or other US. You are other country or USA. I don't know. Okay. Kakain muna ako. Kalimutan ko. Kumain. Let's lagay ko muna yung cellphone ko. Mamaya na Roblox. Favorite ko yung Roblox. Ito yan. Dami siya. Wait lang. Kaming ganun. So, mali. Yes. Okay. Are here. Ano ulam naman? Pizza. Favorite kong pizza. Okay. Some biggest fans. Guys, you like and subscribe to my sword and comment to me. Okay. Oh my god, he's sunog. Sunog. Ano na, kain na tayo. Gupo na. Hindi pa Raro ako. Gusto ko. Wait lang guys. T-shirt. Ito guys. Ito yung YouTube channel nyo. Ito yung YouTube channel nyo. And
Did you know the Philippines secretly hate these things? Number 1, being late. Filipino time might sound funny, but if you're super late, that's super annoying. Number 2, cutting in line. Sing it? Big no-no. Respect the pila or get the death stare from the titas. Number 3, disrespecting elders. Not saying ko and opo? That's like instant minus points to your manners. Number 4, being the target of gossip. No one wants to be the topic of the Merites conference. Better behave or else you'll be in the group chat. Did I miss something? Let me know in the comments. Did you know the Philippines secretly hate these
Hindi
things?
mo alam yung
Number one,
comment.
being late. Filipino time might sound funny.
Hindi mo alam yung comment. Ay, comment nyo yan. Ay, lipili. Ito. Ito. Laging yun. Lahat na lahat. Ito. Ito, diba lahat na. Lahat. Wait lang. Hey guys, subscribe na kayo ha? Or hindi? Hindi pa ako ay... Ano ba yun? Ay, hindi na ako iPad. Hindi kayo subscribe.